Hi guys, it's 2:15 p.m. here in Vienna, Austria, and in the Philippines it's 8:50 ng gabi. So ngayon guys, nagluto ako ng ginisang gulay. Ayan guys. So guys, ayan, sayote guys. Bumili ako ng sayote guys sa Asia Shop guys. Ayan. Grabe guys, ang sayote guys. Sobrang mahal ng sayote dito guys. Grabe. Nakashock man sadta. Then ayan, okra, green beans, tapos kalabasa, tapos yung tanim ko guys na talbos ng kamote at what we call that at talugbati. Ayan guys. At syempre guys, nagprito din ako ng baboy. Ayan. Kung may buttered chicken, ito gi-buttered pork ko. Basta yun na yun guys. And of course guys, kapag ganito yung ulam guys, edi ano pa ba? Rice is life. So, kain tayo guys. Babush!